You want to create something? You think you can wait until you're ready? Ha ha! You'll never be ready. This is the worst thing that I could possibly tell you, but it's the truth. You are never going to be ready. Life is not going to just line up. It doesn't do that for anyone. The perfect day, the perfect hour, the perfect setup, the perfect budget, the perfect tools, the perfect everything. It doesn't happen. If you want to create something, you need to choose to do it before things get perfect, because they're not going to do that. So let me ask you, honestly, what's stopping you from starting your creative thing now, today? Don't tell me I need more expensive equipment. Baloney. People have been making art out of bug paste for thousands of years. Dollar store will have what you need to just get started. Over time, as you get better and you have a consistent creative habit, yes, then it's fine to spend money on extra stuff. But right now, if you're coming out of block, do not worry about the expensive pen set from Japan. Just get something from Target and start. Waiting for the perfect equipment and tools is just another delaying tactic. I know you're afraid. I know you're scared that you're going to start and it's going to be really, really bad. And it probably is. And that's okay. It can be bad, but it just needs to exist. Every day you're willing to make a bad thing, you are closer to making a good thing. Creative, don't wait. Start. Start. I agree that having a better computer and like the full Adobe suite would make things easier. But you know what? You don't need it. Get started. That is what matters. Just get started. You will get better every single day. And when the day comes that you finally do purchase all that fancy equipment, you will have the talent honed and ready to go with it. Just start. I'll join you. Sit down with me right now. Take 3 minutes. Allow yourself to make it wrong and to make it short, but make something new and start that daily habit of creation. I'll see you tomorrow.